Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today in this video, no, we are not going to be doing a basketball video. We are going to be doing a little experiment video with Red Bull. So today I'm going to be mixing Red Bull with stuff. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here we are. We have some Red Bulls here. We have cooking oil, food coloring, sand, syrup, salt, sugar, milk, and oatmeal. So I want to see if all of these stuff mixed with Red Bull or no. So let's begin with milk. So first I'm gonna be pouring this Red Bull into the milk. I'm gonna be opening it up and pour this inside. There we go, that should be enough. And now I am gonna be putting the milk inside too. Alright, and now we are gonna be waiting about 10 minutes. Now, while we wait for this to mix up, we are gonna be doing the others first. So let's mix the oatmeal now. So let me pour the Red Bull in first. There we go. And now let me put the oatmeal inside. 1, 2, and 3. So now I'm gonna see, do they mix or no? Let's see. Wow, a lot of bubbles here, guys. Let's just mix. All right, now let us see. Do they mix? Do you think they mix? I think they don't. I think the oatmeal doesn't dissolve with the Red Bull. So let us move on to the next one. Alright, so now we are going to be mixing sugar with the Red Bull. So here is the sugar. Let us pour the Red Bull. And now here we have the sugar. Now we are gonna mix it. Now, as you can see, I think the sugar dissolves. I think they mix together. Let's just continue mixing. Let us continue. And do you think the sugar and the Red Bull mix together? I think they do. Let's just keep mixing. Let's keep mixing first. And let us see. All right. I think they mix together. See, guys? What do you think? For me, I think they mix together and it looks like the sugar dissolves. There's no more sugar in there. So let's move on to the next one. Now, we are gonna be mixing Red Bull with salt. Open this up. Pour the Red Bull in. And let's pour the salt in. Now we are gonna mix them. I think the salt and Red Bull will mix together. But let's just stir it up and let's see first, guys. Now, as you can see there, the salt dissolves. So Red Bull and salt does mix together. And now here we have syrup. Let's go and mix syrup with Red Bull. This is kind of interesting. Let us see. This is kind of cool, you know. Let us pour the syrup now. Wow, it looks like the Red Bull becomes orange. That's cool. Let's mix it now. It kind of smells like orange juice, guys. I feel like I want to drink this. But I think this is poisonous. But let's just try this. Just kidding. I would not drink this. This is a mix between energy drink and a sugar. Man, kids are not allowed to drink energy drinks. So, yeah. Not today. Not today. But it kind of looks like orange juice too, guys. As you can see, the Red Bull and the syrup does mix, and the Red Bull changes colors. So let's move on to the next one. Now, here we have sand. It's kind of interesting. I never tried mixing Red Bull with sand. I wonder how will it look. Let's pour the Red Bull in. And now, let's put the sand. 2 and 3. So now, let's mix them together. Let's stir it up. Let's stir it up first. And for me, I think the sand does not mix with the Red Bull. Here, what do you think, guys? See, there's still some sand there. As you can see there. So sand and Red Bull does not mix. So now here we have food coloring and cooking oil. We are gonna be not doing this in a cup. We're gonna be doing this in a bowl because why not? So let's pour the Red Bull in. Let's pour a little bit some more here. Alright, now we are gonna put the cooking oil in. And wow, guys, do you think they mix? You guys may think they mix, but we will put the food coloring in so you can see they do not mix together. Here, let us put the food coloring and I am gonna stir it up. Let me just wipe the spoon and let's stir it up. Stir them up. Stir them up. Just put a little bit some more, guys, over here. There we go. Kind of looks like blood. Alright, that should be enough. And as you guys can see, you can see the cooking oil does not mix with the water. See? The cooking oil is on top of the Red Bull right there. Alright, so now let's take a look at the milk. Auntie, let's take a look. So here it is. I have waited 10 minutes for this. Now let us see. Wow, that is so cool. Look at that. It's becoming like a little bit jelly. It kind of looks like cheese. Now, this happens because the acidic properties of the Red Bull cause the milk to curdle. So it is a chemical reaction between the acid in the Red Bull and the casein in the milk. So it causes fluffiness when the casein separates from the milk. due to the acid from the Red Bull. So now we have proved that all of these materials mixed with Red Bull, there are some that are mixed and there are some that are not. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye! And don't forget to stay safe. Don't go anywhere, okay? Bye!